Alright, picture this: you're scrolling through your feed, barely awake, and suddenly DJI drops a teaser. It's short. It's bold. It's everything we needed to confirm what the leaks have been shouting for weeks: the Osmo 360 is real. And it's coming fast. The teaser shows off a slick new sensor, mysterious 360 camera body, and that one-liner tagline, Alan won. It screams confidence. And then, boom, DJI officially locks in the full reveal for July 31st at 8 a.m. EDT, which, surprise, surprise, lines up almost perfectly with the leaked launch dates. Not identical, but close enough to throw fuel on the hype train.
Now that
Leads to the obvious question: what about the Mic 3? Remember, early leaks hinted that both the Osmo 360 and Mic 3 were dropping together. Could DJI be lining up a dual reveal? Or are they just trolling us with suspense? Either way, July 31st is about to get spicy. Now let's talk about what really stirred things up: the leaks. First, we got those sneaky shots of the retail box floating around online. Typical pre-launch stuff. But then someone, somewhere, pressed the wrong button and uploaded the entire hands-on video before the embargo. And when I say the internet pounced, I mean people were screen recording faster than you could blink. So let's break down what that video showed, and more importantly, what really matters. Starting with the sensor. Now brace yourself. The rumors about dual 1-inch sensors? Sadly not true. But hold your disappointment, because DJI is not playing it safe either. They've designed a brand new 1.1-inch square sensor, built from scratch, just for 360 video. Why square? Well, most 360 cameras, like the Insta360 X5, use rectangular sensors, which doesn't make much sense because fisheye lenses capture circular images. That mismatch causes a chunk of the sensor area to be cropped out, wasted pixels, basically. But a square sensor? It fully utilizes the lens coverage, giving you cleaner edges and less pixel loss. It's a smart move, and it might just give DJI the edge in sharpness and efficiency. Now, let's talk color. The Osmo 360 shoots in 10-bit. Compared to the X5's 8-bit, that's a big deal. It means smoother gradients, better sky transitions, and more room to color grade without nasty banding. In the leaked comparison footage, the Osmo 360 looked softer and more neutral compared to the punchy, saturated look of the X5, but here's the catch: the X5 was running in standard mode, while the Osmo 360 was using D-Log-M, which is a flat profile meant for post-production. So yeah, it looked muted at first glance, but once you color grade it properly, the Osmo's footage could look cinematic, even outperforming the X5 in dynamic range. Let's not forget about low light. DJI's night mode on the Osmo 360 looked noticeably more balanced, no blown-out highlights. No artificial warmth, just natural-looking shadows and color tones. Oh, that's where DJI's color science really shines. But it's not just about the 360 mode. It's single lens mode. The Osmo 360 becomes a legit action cam. You can shoot 5K at 60 fps and even switch between front and back lenses while recording. There's a selfie mode too, which locks you dead center in a wide-angle frame, perfect for vlogging or run-and-gun shooting. And if you're into slow-mo, Boost Mode offers an ultra-wide 170-degree FOV at 4K, 120 fps. That's insane for a 360 commits, like strapping a slow-motion GoPro to a drone. Speaking of content creation, I made sure this thing plays nice. With their Mic 2 system and mini transmitters, you get wireless audio, remote control, on-screen audio levels, and even backup recording straight to the camera. That's a dream setup for YouTubers, streamers, and solo creators who want pro audio without the fuss. And storage? Here's where DJI one-ups the X5. You get 128 gigabytes built in with 105 usable, plus the option for a micro SD card. That's a lifesaver. When you forget your card at home? More worse, when your card gets corrupted mid-shoot. The camera is also waterproof up to 10 meters without a housing. It doesn't overheat and weighs only 184 grams. It's small, light, and durable enough to handle almost any adventure. Honestly, aside from the missing dual 1-inch sensor, which would have been cool but probably overkill everything.
Yes.
And the leak lines up with DJI's usual high standards, so. Here's the final word. While the Osmo 360 didn't tick every fantasy spec box, what it did deliver is pretty incredible. It's a true hybrid 360 action camera, designed with creators in mind. Clean sensor design, high-end color, versatile shooting modes, seamless mic integration, and reliable build quality. And if the Mic 3 really drops alongside it on the 31st, we could be looking at one of DJI's most exciting dual product launches in years. If you made it this far, first of all, you're awesome. Second, hit that like button if you found this breakdown helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dive, camera tech, hands-on reviews, and launch day coverage. Want to see how the Osmo 360 stacks up in real-world use? Check out our side-by-side test of the Insta360 X5 versus Osmo Action 4. It's on the end screen right now. Till next time, keep your footage clean, your audio crispy, and your edits tight. Peace out.